Now let's talk about دستگاه سگاه and its interval. سگاه S-E-G-A-H Segah. Okay, now we are not changing any of the tuning, but later on I'm going just to perform more and talk about the specific tuning for each دستگاه or مقام and mode. Okay, for Segah, let's start from Do, for example, and then D quarter tone, E or Mi bemol, Fa, Sol, La koron, Si bemol, Do, and Re quarter tone. Very, very, very close to sure, but the position that we are going just to start and emphasizing on D quarter tone, it's different than دستگاه شور. So we call this دستگاه سگاه, but we are going just to start it from Do. But about the shur, we started from F or G, Fa and Sol. Okay? The feeling is totally different. We are going just to stop to La koron or A quarter tone. We can call this دستگاه سگاه سگاه La koron, and then tuning is really depend on this La koron, and later we are going just to talk about it. Okay, so start from Do and repeat it after me. Do, Re koron, Mi bemol, Fa, Sol, La koron, Si bemol, Do, and Re koron, and you can come back from that interval and practice it most of the time, and you can come back روی La koron and Fa and La koron again, on La and Fa La koron again. Okay, then you can sing it with me. La, Fa, La, Fa, La, Do, Re, Do, Si, La, Sol, La, Do, Si, La, Fa, La, Do, Re, Do, Mi, Re, Do, Re, Re, Do, Si, Do, Do, Si, La, Si, Si, La, Sol, La, Do, 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 Re, Do, Si, La, Sol, La, Fa, La, Fa, La, La. Now I'm going just to perform درآمد for you. Do, Re, Do, Si, La, Si, La, Si, La, Si, Do, Si, La, Do, Si, La, Do, Si, Re, Do, Mi, Re, Do, Si, Re, Do, Si, La, Do, Si, La, Si, La, Si, La, Si, Do, Si, La, Fa, La, Fa, La, La. And you can use any technique that you have, easy, or any technique of the setar that if you obtain any of them. So it is like, just take it so easy, just do the intervals without singing now. Okay, I'm just going just to perform Segah for you. Was the درآمد, the first گوشه. We have like more than 20 or like 30 گوشه in Segah on Radif, some of the very, very known musician Mirza Abdullah. So you can just practice on درآمد and bring it to the higher octave. And sing it with that and get the feeling of this dastgah. Now let's go to دستگاه راستپنجگاه. In دستگاه راستپنجگاه, most of the time, we supposed to change setar's tuning from Do or C, G, C to C, F, C to have the very, very beautiful sense of that dastgah. But we promise to play that dastgah or any kind of dastgah and avaz in the same tuning. So let me just show a little bit of the feeling of dastgah to you, and later on we are going just to move to changing of the tune for every dastgah and maqam or mode. In Rastpanjgah, we are going just to experience like major, like mahur mode, but totally different feeling. Okay, Rastpanjgah going just to be started from Fa. Mahur was from Do. So, major mode. But Rastpanjgah has specific feeling. Fa, mi, fa, mi, fa, mi, fa, sol. So, everything here, we are going just to experience natural note. La, sol, except C bemol or B flat. But right now we have like Fa and also Sol. It doesn't match to each other. Later we are going just to change it. Okay, just sing it with me. Fa, mi, fa, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, la, sol, si, la, sol, fa, mi, fa, re, mi, fa. And then practice the interval. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si bemol or B flat. Do, do, si bemol, la, sol, fa. Fa, mi, re, do, si, la, sol, fa, mi, fa, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, la, sol, fa, mi, fa. Something like that is Rastpanjgah. Now I'm going just to play Daramat for you and sing it for you. Fa, mi, fa, mi, fa, mi, fa, sol, fa, sol, fa, sol, fa, sol, fa, sol, fa, sol. So, 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 sol, 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 fa, sol. So, 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 sol, 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 fa, sol. La, so, so, sol, 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 fa, sol. La, so, so, sol, 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 si, la, 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 do, si, 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 re, do, si, la, do, si, la, sol, si, la, sol, fa, la, sol, si, la, sol, fa, mi, fa, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, la, sol, fa, mi, fa. And then without singing, the feeling of Daramat. Just try to not play on G a lot. So basically we are going just to play a little bit of mahur, but on the 4 interval higher. Do, re, mi, fa. Something like that. But the feeling after changing the tune is going just to be totally different.